It's a wonderful day in Brooklyn, and I'm here in Cobble Hill, just blocks from Court Street, blocks from the waterfront, to show you a charming home that's the least expensive two-bedroom condo in the neighborhood. Welcome to apartment 401 at 100 Congress Street, a well-proportioned two-bedroom, two-bath home with an open kitchen, a bright, quiet northern exposure, and a washer-dryer in the apartment. Residents of this boutique condominium enjoy this spectacular roof deck, children's playroom, residence lounge, fitness center, and live-in super. Thank you for joining me on the tour, and I look forward to showing it to you in person.